Welcome to Teaching Raw. Today I will solve some example questions of finite automata. Here two questions are given, question number 1 and question number 2. Let's start with question number 1. Write finite automata string AB except all words. A string except all words, it's mean a string except a word except null, pass A, pass B, it will accept, and it always stay on final state. It's mean initial state and final states are same. A state exists only one state. Initial show negative sign and final show positive sign. Only state A I will say, and it will accept null and accept A and B, all words accept. So we apply loop here, forward accept A and B, and write A comma B. This is the answer of our first questions, accept all words. And here question number 2. Write finite automata string AB accept all words except null. It will not accept null. It's accept null, but this one is not accept null. Okay, here two states exist. Number 1, initial state, we can say A, and another state B is our final state. B is final state, A is initial state. Okay, it's mean null stay on initial state, so null it's not acceptable. So if we pass A, it will accept, so it will reach on state B, and if we pass B on state A, it will reach on state B. This is also acceptable words. And always stay on B if A comes or B comes. So we apply loop here and write A comma B, or we can write individually loop. Already I will run this loop in previous tutorial. Let's move on some other example questions. Here are some difficult questions of finite automata. Write finite automata string AB except even number of A and even number of B. Even number of A and even number of B, it's mean we need to define 4 state. Firstly I will draw 4 state, then I will explain this finite automata. Okay, this 4 state, number 1 is initial state, and it's also a final state. It's mean 2A comes and 2B comes and round is completed. What I'm trying to say, okay, I'm right, and then explain. If we pass A, it will go on, if we pass B, it will go on this state number, this is state number 1, this is state number 2, this is state number 3, and this is state number 4. If we pass B, it will go on state 2 on 1, and if we pass B, reach state, if we pass A, reach state 3 on state 2, and if we pass B on state 3, it will reach on state 4. To be completed. And if we pass A on state 4, it will reach on state 1. This is the final, and 2A and 2B is completed, even number. And if null we pass, it will stay on state 1, and 0 is even number. Okay, what comes if A comes on state, if A comes on state 1, it will reach on state 4. what happened? It's repeat. A comes and again A, it will reach on final state. A is even, okay, and 0 times B is even, okay, fine. What happened if B comes on state 2? It will reach on state 1 and even number of B is also completed. What happened if A comes on state 3? It will reach on state 2 and even number of A completed. What happened if A comes on state, B comes on state 4? It will reach on state 3 and even number of B is completed. This is the answer of this question. If we pass A B A B A A B A and B, even number of A and even number of B is complete and we stay on final state. This is correct. Trying to pass 4 times B, okay, B B B and B, this is also correct. 4 times A A A, this is also correct. And okay, let's start. 4 times A, then 4 times A and no, try to pass 2 times A, 2 times B and 2 times A. 2 times A, 2 times B, and again 2 times A. This is totally a correct finite automata. Thank you for watching this video.